Hello Odoers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create sell quotation from the purchase order. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here module Dev purchase to sell. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to purchase app. Select order that which in purchase order state. Now go to action menu and see here these options, create sell quotation. Now click on I want to select Anita and now click on this create quotation. So see here this your created sell quotation from the purchase order and customer is Anita. So using this our app you can easily create sell quotation from the purchase order. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.